Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. It's Victoria, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this quick and simple easy headband install from ISee Hair. So if you are interested, make sure you stay tuned. But first, if you are new, consider subscribing. Here on my channel you'll see videos and vlogs based on beauty, lifestyle, fashion, hair, tutorials, and traveling. So if you are interested in that, make sure you subscribe and make sure you give this video a like, comment down below. Alright, so let's get into this video.
Alright, so here's what the box looks like. This is the ISee Hair Princess series. Alright, so the products that I'm going to be using is the Xtreme gel, and I'm also going to be using the Got To Be Glued gel that's in the black bottle, and an edges brush since the edges are going to be the only thing that's going to be out. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you guys what all comes in the box, and it includes the hair, of course, and it is the Peruvian 22 inches straight. It is 180% density, and it is in the color 2. In the box, it also comes with these two headbands. One is a star headband, and the other is like a fake Dior headband. And this one just like wraps around the back. I'll show you guys later. But it also comes with some eyelashes, and it comes with 2 wig caps and a pamphlet on how to take care of the hair and all that good stuff. Okay, so moving right along, I already have my wig cap on. Underneath, I just have like some big old dookie braids underneath. Whatever, it didn't really matter. So long as you got your hair somewhat flat, then it should be good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the hair out of the plastic packaging, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks from the inside. As you guys can see, this hair is pretty straight, and you can definitely also see that it is a very light brown color. It didn't have a weird smell to it or anything, and one thing I really noticed right after just immediately taking it out of the packaging is that it has a humongous inside. Like, the inside of it is really big, and it's big head girl friendly, and if you have a lot of hair, that will also be like very helpful that the inside of the cap is so big. But it comes with 4 different tabs, 2 on each side and 1 in the front and 1 in the back, so that way you can secure the wig onto your head and it stays for like a snug fit. It also has Velcro on the back, so you can strap this around your head. So that's also really nice, just to know that you have that extra security that's going to hold your wig onto your hair. It has the combs and the Velcro. Alright, so now I'm just going to take the Xtreme gel and my edges brush and push my wig cap back, so that way I can go ahead and begin to do my edges. Alright, so after I get them how I like them, I just go ahead and secure them with the wig cap, and I'm going to move on to doing the other side. And after applying the Xtreme gel, I just went on top and applied the Got To Be gel for a more like secured hold. And I only did like 4 little swoops. I mean, usually I do like 3 on each side, but I don't know, for some reason I just wanted to do 2 on each side. Now that my edges are done, I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on my head, and I'm going to show you guys how I secure it with the Velcro and how I use the combs to clip them into my hair. After I attached the Velcro together, I just went ahead and took the comb that's in the back of the wig and I tucked it under the straps in the back. So here's what the fake Christian Dior headband looks like. On one side it just says J'adore Christian Dior, and on the other side it just has like a sequence of Dior on it. Okay, so after I put the headband on, I just went ahead and used my brush to brush out the hair, and this is what it's looking like. I didn't even straighten it or anything, but it's pretty straight, even still coming out the package, and yeah, I think it looks really good. What y'all think?
Alright guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and used the little Dior headband, and I'm quite sure it's not real, but I mean it's still really cute. Like I just like how it's like white and it has like the little blue all on it, so that's really cute. And then I just put on some jewelry and some mascara and some lip balm. This hair is really cute. I like the length of it. It's actually kind of long. It comes down to my waist right here, or my butt actually. You see that? See? It is in the color 2. So I wanted to try something different and get like a different color, because I always get like 1B, and I don't know, like I like color. Like I like color, but I'm just too scared to try it. I was really kind of even like tripping out about trying this, which is kind of weird. I know. I was just concerned that the fact that it wouldn't match my hairline, which it doesn't, but I mean, who's really gonna be looking at it like that? It's whatever. I don't really care what people think. I'm just more concerned about like how I feel about it. Like it doesn't match, and I'm always thinking like consciously, oh, it doesn't match, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, I think the look turned out really cute. This is a very, very quick and easy process, as you guys saw. It took what, like 5 minutes to do everything, to put everything together. So I like the conveniency and how quick and simple it is. You just throw it on your head and you go. This headband is definitely big head girl friendly, so if you got a big head, this is for you. I got a little peanut head, so this thing is a little bit too big for my head, but that's all right, because I just finessed it. I just literally put the comb that it comes with, I flipped that underneath the Velcro that it came with. So I think actually I'm going to, if you have a small head, you might want to do this also. I'm just going to get like some adhesive Velcro, so that way I can make it as tight as I want to. But yeah, it looks really, really good. Like I really like the conveniency. Like I said, it's very quick to put on, it's very easy, and you don't have to worry about like melting lace or anything like that, like making sure your frontals are right or your closures are right. You just throw this thing on, you put a headband on, and you go. And the thing about it is I love headbands. Like I have so many headbands, like it's not even funny. It's pretty crazy. And now I actually have 2 more. It did come with the little, this headband, the Christian Dior headband, and it also came with this one. I'm not really too sure how you even put this thing on. I don't know, but it came with that one. Yeah, it's very quick and it's very easy to do. Anybody is very beginner friendly, so if you're just getting into wigs, I would recommend you guys get a headband wig. It's just so easy to do. Like, you seen the combs, all you have to do is just like Velcro it in, snap snap, comb, put the combs in, and put a headband on. That's literally it. So yeah, it's so cute. Is it giving what it's supposed to give? Is it giving what it's supposed to give? Y'all let me know. And if by chance ISee here, you are watching this video, you might want to sponsor you, girl. I don't know, I'm just putting it out there. I'm just putting it out there. This video ain't sponsored, so yeah, this is my honest opinion about the hair. I just really wish that the cap of it wasn't so big, but then again, I can adjust that, so I'm not really too upset about that. And y'all saw I literally just pulled it out the pack. I didn't even straighten or anything. It was already kind of like straight, so you can straighten it if you want to. I was thinking about doing like some crimps in it, because I got a crimper now and I thought that would be really cute. So I might do another video on how to style a headband wig. Let me know if y'all want to see that. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what else I need to say. It's super quick, super easy, super cute, and that's really all there is to it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a like, comment down below what video you guys would like to see me do next, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Is it giving what it's supposed to give? Is it giving what it's supposed to give? I just think my little outfit is really cute. I can't really show y'all, but it says, let me see. Yeah. I can't. So my pants say strong is the new pretty. So they're just like some light blue, baby blue sweatpants and a halter top. White t-shirt. Super simple, super cute, and very basic. But that's alright. I like being basic. It's okay. It's alright. Get it right. Okay. And action. Here in my video,